Whooping cough may begin like a common cold, but unlike a cold, the coughing can last for weeks or months. The CDC published a study that provides further evidence that Tdap vaccination during pregnancy helps protect newborns from whooping cough during their first 2 months of life, when they are most vulnerable to the disease.
What they found in this study was that administering the vaccination during the last trimester of pregnancy was able to reduce the incidence of pertussis cases.
According to the CDC, researchers have looked at U.S. population level trends in infant whooping cough cases since this maternal vaccination strategy began in 2011. Newborn whooping cough rates decreased significantly since the introduction of maternal Tdap vaccination.